Ago, I welcome you to my channel. This is your brother, Derek Stevens Sawano, or simply you can call me a full Kojo. In today's episode, I want to teach you how to say if something is broken, or the thing is chipped, or cracked, how to say it in Ewe. When a thing is broken in Ewe, we say, Enua bang. Bang is broken. So the thing is broken. Enua bang. When the thing is chipped, in a way we say can. The thing is chipped. Enula can. Enula can. When the thing cracked, we say enula fe. Enula fe. So broken is bang, chipped is can, and cracked is fe. I believe you've learned something new in the Ewe language. Please do subscribe, like this video. You can ask any question, anything that you want to know in Ewe. Ask at the comment section.